Hey yo, what is up everybody? My name is Navi here, playing Dead by Daylight. I'm gonna be maining my actual character, which is the Hillbilly. I'm running a few little extra perks to the chainsaw that'll actually help me. So hopefully I'll have a good game over here. Oh god. Oh god, this is gonna be difficult. I cannot maneuver chainsaw through this freaking map so well. Guess I'm gonna have to rely on the hammer purely right now. Unless I see someone crossing the street, then maybe I'll get lucky enough. Well, there's one. See, can I run chainsaw over there? Looks like they ran as soon as they heard chainsaw. Jesus Christ, they're everywhere. Hold up. Just want to make sure that they're not going to come back for this. This is gonna be very difficult. Oh my god, they're going off everywhere. So far they're missing these heal okay, never mind, that wasn't even. God damn it. They are all around the map. I cannot right now. Not what? Okay. This is, oh my, what are these people doing? I don't understand. What is this? Hey, what are you doing? Get back here. I will smack you with my hammer, damn it. Get over here! I will chainsaw you! Get over here! Got him! Let's go! Putting you on a hook right now. Let's see, where's the hook? God damn it. Right there. Ha! You never even finished! Wait, no! No! Don't you dare! Don't you dare do that! I will. That's it. Oh god, I messed that up very badly. Oh, I saw him go in. Yep, there he is. Hello! There he is. I know I left that guy in the street, but let's be honest, that guy ain't gonna cause me real difficulty right now. The only thing that'll happen is their partner is gonna try to heal him. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Wow, I just witnessed that. Oh no, you don't! Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, this is so difficult now because they have repaired freaking toolboxes and they're getting rid of all the hooks on the goddamn map. Like, I could try going for a basement hook, but I don't even think I have the time for that. Yeah, I'm probably not even gonna have the time for that, am I? Got him, never mind. Luckily I got him. And most likely, they're gonna repair a lot of generators real fast right now. Yeah, Pino. Just want to make sure this one dies, or else, like, it's gonna get very hectic real fast. I heard that. Hello! What are you doing, Dwight? Come over here. What are you doing, man? Come on. Don't play with me like this. Don't play with me like this, Dwight. And I'm done. I'm officially done. I way too hard swung that, and I'm done. You got away scot-free. No injuries, no nothing. I mean, injured, sure, but Okay, I think I saw him. Yeah, I'm just blind, never mind. Yeah, I screwed up. Legitly screwed up. Most likely they're, yep. Working up top over here. Oh wow, never mind. Alright. I'm betting they're just gonna trigger them all at once. I'm gonna get screwed over. Yep, I'm just screwing up my chainsaws right now. And hello there. How you doing, sir? Let's go. Let's take you to a hook, if there is any. Which I don't even think there is. Yeah, yeah. Besides the one all the way over here. God damn it! Oh my god, he's gonna escape. I'm not gonna lie right now. He's gonna escape. Never mind. Got him. What's gonna be dumb is that they're gonna rescue him within 0.1 seconds of actually, without me actually putting him on a hook. Okay, well they got that one. And they got another one. I'm gonna start to complain. Because they, like, I see so many with toolboxes. It's ridiculous. Hello there. Nope, never mind. Not enough time. At least I didn't get stunned. I see you. I see you playing me. I see you. Oh my god, these guys won. I'm not even good. It's no point in trying right now. Jesus Christ, this is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm not gonna fall for that so easily. Might work once or twice, but not a third time. Hello there. And they're gonna go jumping off the roof. And I'm correct. God damn it. This is just the most retarded map I'll ever freaking be on. Because chainsaw is terrible for this map. Admittedly, chainsaw is so terrible for this map. I could see you. Get over here! Damn it! Get over here! God, this character is just so annoying. God, this is really annoying. I just can't do this right now. Over there, someone. I see him. I think it's Dwight. Where could you have gone? I don't understand this. Oh, there you are. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. Well, that's confusing. I went literally into the freaking board. I'm gonna call it as retarded gameplay right there, but I don't even know. Yeah, I see you. Oh my freak! This is just retarded. This is just ultimately being retarded. I cannot handle this damn person right now. Okay, I'm coming after you. You're too freaking annoying. Here's what you get. Screw you. You legitimately suck. Hope you die of freaking cancer, please. You're going on damn hook. I'm through with you. You're trying to juke me out every damn time. Oh my god. The only hooks left are the ones at the freaking dungeon. This is literally ridiculous. Like, I look around, there's nothing else. It's purely all the huts. And I hear them fixing it. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. I can't handle this anymore. These people are just pissing me off to a certain extent. Okay. 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 I see a bunch of you going in. Yeah, okay. That's one of you. Unless they have a flashlight, they'll be able to save this person, but I don't think they do, so. I never saw a second one come out, so. Okay, I'm literally just saying screw you. You're gonna die. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I get one kill, I'm good. Like, this map is way too difficult for this type of... I see you. This map is way too difficult for the type of stuff I'm doing. Which is chainsaws, and it ain't that easy. Oh my god, dude. This is just legitimately retarded. Hello there, Dwight. Take the hit, yes, like a good friend. And then just let them escape, okay. Freaking tight corners, dude. I'm so done. Hello. Not gonna get away so easily. Not today. Jukes ain't gonna work like that. Yeah, okay, I'm done. I'm officially done. Okay, yeah, I'm officially done. This is ridiculous. I can't do this. Let you down. And screw you! Jesus Christ, this is ridiculous. Hello there. At least one. I don't even care. Okay, I'm taking you. Reel back. Yeah, you're going backwards. No. I'm not falling for this. I'm not falling. I fell for it. I fell for it. I'm done. I'm officially done. I don't care. You deserve the win. And there's one playing with me. Yep. There it is. I'm done. Fuck. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. So many toolboxes. I can't deal with it. I got no other choice. I'm so done, dude. This is ridiculous. You see the amount of perks they have. You see, like, they have a bunch of toolboxes. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, that's it for me. My name is Navi, and I'm signing out. This is another game, Dead by Daylight, somehow, with cancer like this. I'm done.